Well, property demand in Singapore is picking up as the effect of cooling measures seems to have worn off. Analysts say home buyers are driving that demand market rather than investors. And developers are also bullish, launching new projects to capture pent-up demand. Michelle Teo reports.
Tighter loan limits and higher taxes cooled the property market in the first quarter of this year. As a result, overall transaction volumes fell by about a third on quarter, the lowest level since the circuit breaker period.
The effect of the new round of cooling measures implemented in December 2021 was felt at the start of 2022, as home buyers began taking a wait-and-see approach in their purchasing decision. However, it is important to zoom in various segments within property market. For mass market projects, the impact has been minimal. The millennium buyers remain as a driving force. There is an intergenerational transfer of wealth.
Industry observers say cooling measures only affected property investors, but not genuine home buyers looking for a place to live. It's why the long-term impact on developers is still likely to be muted.
Developers also don't have much of an unsold inventory in their pipeline. This is a key difference compared to that of the past cooling measures, where developers are holding quite a bit of unsold inventory on their pipeline. And if you look at it, additionally, developers' balance sheet are also in a much better position at this point of time. So there is no rush for developers to cut their prices and clear the inventory which they are holding.
Even with property prices holding steady, demand seems to be coming back stronger. It's reflected in the sales for some recent launches like Piccadilly Grand. More than 3/4 of units there were snapped up on its launch weekend. Some developers like Xingjian Realty are also aiming to launch new projects this year in the hopes that more supply would spur demand. But one analyst says that might not be the case.
There has been a bit of uneven in terms of sales across different launches. What this says is that there are still buyers out there in the market who are looking to buy property, but they have become a lot more discerning in terms of what kind of project attributes I should buy in, what kind of price I'm ready to pay. These are the factors which they are more carefully considering before buying the projects in the market.
Analysts say sales volume for the year is likely to reach around 11,000 to 12,000 units amid slower overall launch activity, rising interest rates and tighter financing rules.